quiz time info channel. Please subscribe. The flag of Argentina has a blue and white background with a in the center. Sun, moon, star. Sun. The flag of Mexico has a green, white, and red background with an eagle holding in its beak. Sword, snake, olive branch. Snake. The flag of Russia consists of three horizontal stripes: white, blue, and red, green, yellow. Red. The flag of Australia, feature in Union Jack in the corner, bottom left, top right, top left, top left. The flag of China is red with five yellow in the top left corner, star, circle, triangle, star. The flag of Japan features a white background with a red circle that represents the sun, moon, earth. Sun. The flag of Spain consists of red and yellow with a in the left part of the flag. Coast of arm, cross, circle. Circle. The flag of Greece is blue and white with a in the top left corner, cross, star, circle. Cross. The flag of Sweden consists of a blue background with a cross, yellow, red, green. Yellow. The flag of Switzerland consists of a white on a red background, cross, circle, square. Cross.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.